Cloud seeding has been a very popular topic these days in Delhi. And we also heard that despite of many efforts, artificial rains has not happened in Delhi. अगर किसी को बहुत आसान लैंग्वेज में समझना हो क्लाउड सीडिंग है क्या, and for the layman people who do not have any background with geography or they are not preparing for UPSC, this is for them as well as for UPSC aspirants. बहुत ही आसान लैंग्वेज में क्लाउड सीडिंग होता है जब आप वाटर वेपर को कंडेंस करना चाहते हैं, और कंडेंस के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि कोई सॉलिड पार्टिकल प्रेजेंट हो इन द एटमॉस्फेयर, वेदर डस्ट पार्टिकल्स फॉर एग्जांपल PM 2.5, PM 10, ये सब आपके प्रेजेंट होने चाहिए. एंड इफ दिस डस्ट पार्टिकल्स आर नॉट प्रेजेंट इन द एटमॉस्फेयर, देन आर्टिफिशियली you have to build them up. Cloud seeding में कौन कौन से components use होते हैं? Dry ice, silver iodide and many salts. Now when these salts are used, they actually help the vapors to condense easily and do the artificial rain. But there is another requirement for that apart from it, that your temperature should be as low as it can be and also the optimum humidity level should be maintained. अब cloud seeding की बात तो ठीक है, क्या ये पहली बार हो रहा है दिल्ली में? Is India only country who has started the cloud seeding? No. Before that, Saudi Arabia has also done a lot of cloud seeding programs. Cloud seeding was even used by USA against Vietnam in 1975 war. USA used it in order to extend the floods in Vietnam under their Operation Popeye. And apart from that, so there is another city that we can learn a lot from, Beijing. Just like Delhi, Beijing was also a gas chamber in 2013, and it's commendable to see their journey from a gas chamber to a Beijing Blue. What does that mean? Beijing was also grappling with the same situation of high AQI level. Beijing has done a lot of reforms. From the car-centric region, they have turned into sustainable mobility model. Apart from that, they have installed 2000 sensors in the different places so that they can regulate and monitor the area time to time. And not only that, they have also mastered the art that how the people should change their lifestyle in order to reduce their AQI level. So this is a classic example of how one can achieve a better AQI level in a decade. If a heavily industrialized city like Beijing can achieve this level, then we can too achieve that in a decade to come. And this is a big learning, not for the Delhi government, but also for the people who can change their lifestyle in order to achieve better AQI index for the coming decade.